Good afternoon. My name is Mark Crocker. I work for the Dr. MGR University and I'm a faculty in the Catering unit. Today, I like to speak about the students who want to make their career in this industry. Well, I always tell you, welcome, because this department will never keep you all unemployed. There's always vacancies in the hospitality industry. You can get on in any field at any given time. The next point which I want to speak to you all today is about the interview skills. When you'll go for an interview, please go with a mindset of the industry which you want to go. Industry in the sense, in the company which you have chosen. Learn about the company which you are going into, at least 10 points about the company. The second is know about the field which you want to pick. If you want to pick the kitchen as your career, if you want to pick service as your career, but have a good knowledge of feedback, plan a future, make a vision for yourself. Yes, I need to grow. At this point, I have to reach a certain destination. That has to be the important point at this juncture. The second one is know your field well. If you know your field well, don't hesitate to go for any interview at any time. Your last syllabus which you have studied is enough for you all to enter any field. And like I told you, the sky is a limit for the hospitality industry. So I wish you all the best, and don't hesitate to pick the hotel industry as a career. Thank you.